Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing my pamper routine slash beauty maintenance video. The first thing that I like to do is do my everything shower. I'm not going to show clips of me in the shower or slash bath because right now I don't have a shower liner, so I'm going to be taking a bath. So before I hop right into the shower, I'm going to oil my hair. Now I like to use two different types of hair oils. Two new ones that I found that I absolutely love. So I'm gonna mix the Trader Joe's Spa jojoba oil. I love this oil, it's amazing. And I also do like to use this oil to remove my makeup, and it's amazing. So I'm gonna mix this one with the OGX extra strength damage remedy plus coconut miracle oil. I really like this one. I heard this is a little bit thick, but I do kind of like it. So I'm gonna mix both of these together. I first kind of like to use my fingertips to first massage it into my hair, and then I go in with my scalp massager. I was going to, before I do hair oiling, I was going to lighten my hair. I actually already did it a couple weeks ago, so I ended up not doing it in this video, but I'm going to put my hair up in a little claw clip to just keep my hair out of my face. And I'm going to start dry brushing. Now, I had another one that I did not like. It had like little silicone little things on the dry brush, and I did not like that. It was from Home Goods. Now I got a new one that I really like. This one is from Osea. This is my favorite one because you can really kind of get in there, and I like that it's an oval shape. So you can it really fits to your arm. I really do like this one. Okay. So now we're gonna go hop into the shower. Now, if I'm oiling my hair, I like to go in with kind of like an exfoliating shampoo. This is my favorite one. This is from Briogeo. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. Like I said, I really do like this shampoo. I think I'm gonna get more of it because I'm almost out. It's a great shampoo, and I really love the smell. The smell is so nice. Then I'm gonna go in with so I do all the time when I'm doing my hair oiling, I do double cleansing. Well, actually, that's not true. I always double cleanse. So I'm gonna go in with the Briogeo Superfoods Mango and Cherry Balancing Shampoo. I love the shampoo. This shampoo is my favorite. So great. So now it's time for, where's the other one? Oh, a hair treatment. I don't do this every single day or every single time. I don't do it every single day. I do it about maybe once a month, and my beauty maintenance slash pamper routine videos I do about maybe once a week, maybe once every other week, I would think, or once every 2 weeks. So for a treatment, I'm going to use my rice water rinse treatment. I like to kind of mix the two. So this is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Mega Strength Rice Water Protein Moisture Strengthening Treatment. And then I'm going to mix it with the Heritage The Rice is Right Rice Water Hair Rinse. So like I said, I mix the two, and then I leave it in for, one says 10 minutes and one says 5 minutes. So I usually leave this in for about 5 minutes. And then after I do my hair treatment, I go in with my hair mask. So this is the Trader Joe's Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Hair Mask, one of my favorite hair masks. Once I have my hair mask in, I like to wash my body. So I first go in with a body wash. This is the Jaffa Royal Almond Enriching Hand and Body Wash with Vitamin C. And then I like to use my little dog loofah with this. I love this combo. It's amazing. Okay, after I wash my body, I'm going to go in with a scrub. So sometimes I do a body scrub, sometimes I do a body polish. Today I'm going to use a body polish. This is the Osea Undaria Cleansing Body Polish. This is one of my favorites, and I do like that it's a big tub. I can get a lot of use out of it. I love the smell. It smells so much like a spa. Okay, once I finished with my body care, my hair mask is ready to wash out. Now for a conditioner, I'm going to go in with the Briogero Superfoods Mango plus Cherry Balancing Conditioner. And again, love this conditioner. It's amazing. So now I'm going to hop out of the shower and we are ready to continue doing the body care. So the first thing that I like to do is I'm going to take my Osea Undaria Algae Body Oil. Love this body oil. This is one of my favorites. And then to lock everything in, I'm almost out of this. I'm going to get a new one because I love this body butter. This is the Osea Undaria Algae Body Butter. Love it. It smells so great. Okay, so my wax strips randomly disappeared. I have no idea where they are. I just saw them last night and I have no idea where they went. Oh yeah. So after I do my body care, I'm going to go into wax. I'm doing my wax strips. Now, these are not my favorite thing to use. I just like to shave my legs. Maybe I'm not doing it right, or I'm not go on to the hair, styling the hair. So my hair is slightly damp, not too much. Okay, so I'm going to go in with probably my favorite hairbrush to detangle. This is the Tangle Teaser brush that I got from Target. I love this brush. This brush is for a heat protectant. My favorite one is the Kristen S Style Assist Blow Dry Mist. I'm almost out of it. I need to get some more because it's really great. I really like this. So I'm going to use this as my heat protectant, and then I'm going to blow dry my hair. So I'm going to take, I actually did bring it out to show you guys. I'm going to take my Shark Flex Style. Sometimes I do go in and blow dry my hair with this attachment, the straight attachment, just to kind of for the mids to ends, and then I use another, like the nozzle one for the scalp. But I've been liking to just use this, so I just put it like a normal hair dryer and then just rough blow dry my hair, and that seems to really work for me. Okay, so now we're going to style the hair. So I'm going to use the barrel attachments. First, I'm going to go in with the left side, kind of just attached like that. Now that my hair is done, we're going to go on to my manicure. So I was going to do my manicure and pedicure, but I kind of only wanted to do my manicure. So I'm not going to go into too much detail, but I did want to show the gel polish that I use. So there's 3 polishes that I have. This is the top coat. This is the Jodson? I don't know. Gel polish. This is the top coat. This is the base coat. And then what I'm actually wearing on my fingers right now for a polish. They're so pretty. I absolutely love it. It looks like that. It's a really kind of like milky pink, I would say, and they all have numbers on it. This one is B56. So like I said, I'm only doing my fingers for this video. So once I do my fingers, and I like to do my fingers kind of like right after I take a shower, or a bath, and right before I do my skincare, because I don't want my nail bed to be flooded with water, so I like to do them after the bath or shower. That doesn't really make any sense, but I wait a little bit after I'm out of the shower or the bath, and then I do my fingers. Okay, so what I like to do for after I do my, like I said before, right after my manicure, I like to go straight into my skincare. So this is technically the morning when I'm doing this entire thing. So I'm going to start doing my at-home facial. So normally I don't double cleanse in the morning, but today I am because I want to do my full-on facial. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to double cleanse. So I'm going to start with my cleansing device. This is the Ariel Luna 4. And then the first cleanser that I'm going to use is the Jafra Royal Jelly Defy Rich Cream Cleanser. I'm going to cleanse with this one first with the device, and then I'm going to rinse it off, and then for the second cleanse, I'm going to take my ITK Milk to Foam Gentle Cleanser. One of my favorites. I absolutely love. I did want to mention this because I really do like to use a towel like this for when I do my facials and my normal everyday morning routine and nighttime routine. I like to use a cleansing towel like this. I know it's a little dirty, but this is all I use to pretty much dry my face. Time for steaming. Now, I didn't bring it out with me because it's big, and I'm going to use my Conair steamer. And what I've been starting to do is I take my hand towel and kind of put it over my face, or put it over my head, so the steam is trapped, and it's time to exfoliate. My favorite exfoliator is the Jafra Beauty Dynamics Microdermabrasion Cream with jojoba beads. I love this one. It is amazing. So I technically use 2 exfoliators in my morning routine, or if today I'm doing my full-on facial routine. So I do kind of like to prep my skin for makeup with a liquid exfoliant. So I kind of use them both. Sometimes I don't, but I'm going to use that and then rinse it off, and I'm going to dry my face with this towel. So I'm first going to put on my pore strip. This is the new one that I got. This is the Up and Up Deep Clean Pore Strips. I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to take my Dermatology Brightening Eye Mask. They're almost gone. I can't believe it. I absolutely love them. I got this one on Amazon, and it's amazing. I do really like it. I want to branch out and try other. Okay, for the face mask today, this is the ITK Clay Color Changing Face Mask. And what I've been loving to do with this is I like to use a silicone brush. It's time to shave the face. So I need a little bit of slip when shaving the face, so I love to use my serum. This is the ITK Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So I'm going to apply the serum in, I guess, quadrants or in sections. So I'm going to start first with this cheek, and I'm going to take my Revlon shave. So I've been loving to use this toner again. This is one of my favorites. This is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution. And I love to use toners with a cotton round and just apply it to the face. And then my favorite part of the entire facial routine is I like to massage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use my serum again, just again for some slip. So I like to use the Foreo Luna 4, but I like to use this side. This side is the massage side. I put it on on the phone when I use the app to massage. I put it on the lymphatic drainage setting, and I really kind of spend my time and massage the face. Now in the clip, it doesn't look like I spend a lot of time, but I was there for about, I'd say 5 minutes, almost 10 minutes, just really massaging my entire face. And I did a little bit on the chest as well. Okay, for moisturizer, I wanted to use kind of like moisturizer that has a little bit of sunscreen in it. So I'm going to use the Jafra Gold Dynamics Skin Boosting Moisturizer. Okay, now it's time to brush the teeth, or my oral care. So my favorite toothpaste is the Sensodyne Extra Whitening Toothpaste. And then, I don't know, this is kind of gross, so I'm going to turn it this way. So then I'm going to use my toothbrush. I need to get a better toothbrush. I'm going to go in with my mouthwash. I'm going to use the Crest Pro Health Advanced Extra Whitening Mouthwash. This is one of my favorite mouthwashes. Yeah. I slosh it, I guess, in my mouth for about 1 minute, and then I rinse my mouth with water. It's time for makeup. So I was going to do my brow lamination, or do a DIY brow lamination and brow tint, but I'm not going to do it because I didn't like the way that it looked on me. But I am going to do DIY false lash, or DIY lash extensions. I'm going to use the New Cali DIY lash extensions at home lashes. This is the natural one, and these go from size 9 to size 11. I do really like these. And for the glue slash sealant, and sealant, I'm going to take the Lilac Street Pro Bond and then the Lilac Street Seal, or I think this is like crystal. So I was going to do a new thing where I you put the individual lashes on top rather than the bottom, but I'm going to try again to do it on the bottom. The makeup I actually filmed today, this is the makeup that I did. This is my everyday makeup, and for the clip, I just wanted to show kind of like my everyday makeup. I do have a full video out right now on my channel of my everyday makeup look with using my new Nikki LaRose and BK Beauty brushes. That I'll put that up in the cards and in the description below, so you guys can check out that video as well. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming this video for you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!